Are the incredible powers of AI making you feel fearful? We've all heard the rumors about AI taking our jobs, but in fact, AI is a growing field, and with more companies adopting this technology, the demand for skills is increasing, leading to a surge in new job opportunities. Those who embrace AI and begin their learning journey early will reap the greatest rewards. Today, we'll share the best free learning resources to help you acquire the latest knowledge and skills that you can immediately apply in your current job or use as a foundation for further AI training and a well-paying career. So let's explore these amazing learning resources together. Our first resource is Google's Generative AI Learning Path, which comprises 10 courses. 7 of these courses are categorized as introductory, while the remaining 3 are at an intermediate level. Each course can be completed in one day. While there's no formal certification, you will receive a completion badge that you can add to your digital resume. The second educational resource on our list is LinkedIn's Career Essentials in Generative AI Training course. For this course, Microsoft partnered with LinkedIn to address the growing demand for AI skills in the workforce. The course provides an introduction to AI and issues around responsible AI. It's offered in English, with several other languages to follow in the coming months. Completing the course will grant you a professional certificate in generative AI from Microsoft, which you can display on your LinkedIn profile. Third course is Microsoft's Transform Your Business with AI course. This Microsoft learning path is designed to help business people acquire the knowledge and resources to adopt AI in their organizations, and explores planning, strategizing, and scaling AI projects in a responsible way. Microsoft says the objectives for this course are to become familiar with existing AI tools, understand basic AI terminology and practices, and use pre-built AI to build intelligent applications. The fourth resource is the Introduction to ChatGPT course on Codecademy. In this course you can learn about ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI systems available today, and dive into the world of generative AI. Once you've learned ChatGPT basics, you can further develop your prompt engineering abilities by enrolling in Vanderbilt University's Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT course. It delves into the most effective approaches for prompt engineering, encompassing summarization, simulation, programming, and various practical techniques to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities with your inputs. Here's the sixth learning choice. IBM provides a course called AI for Everyone, Master the Basics on edX. This course assists in gaining knowledge about artificial intelligence by exploring its applications and essential principles, including machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. You have the option to audit this course for free, which provides access to all the course materials. If you desire to receive a certificate upon finishing the course, you can opt for the verified track by paying the associated course fees. Moving on to our seventh course on the list, we have AI for Everyone. This course is presented by Andrew Ng, an adjunct professor at Stanford University and a leading AI instructor on Coursera. It's available for free auditing and is divided into 4 modules, with each module generally taking around 2 to 3 hours to complete. Our 8th course in the lineup is titled as the Fundamentals of ChatGPT, AI Language Model. In this course, you'll explore how ChatGPT operates and gain insights into its strengths and limitations. You can access this free course on Allison.com. The course is CPD accredited, and upon finishing a brief assessment at the end of this course, you'll receive a certification. Now let's explore the 9th learning option, Phil Ebner's ChatGPT, Midjourney, Firefly, Bard, DALL-E AI Crash Course, which is available on Udemy. This course will provide you with a good understanding of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and various other generative AI tools. It's important to note that Udemy doesn't offer certificates of completion for free courses. However, if you're seeking to enhance your skills at no cost, this course is certainly worth considering. Last but not least is Great Learning's ChatGPT for Beginners course. It teaches you how to create coding prompts, generate various types of content like suggestions, summaries, email prompts, and reports. Additionally, the course covers keyword-based text generation and marketing prompts to maximize the utility of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me on this journey through some of the best AI courses available today. Remember, learning is a lifelong adventure, and the field of AI is constantly evolving. Don't hesitate to dive in, expand your knowledge, and stay curious. I've provided links to all these courses in the video description, so be sure to check them out. And if you've taken any of these courses or have other favorites you'd like to share, please do so in the comments section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue to explore the ever-fascinating world of AI together.